people are willing, they allow themselves to get stuck in a cubicle.
Yeah.
And then they get all the life sucked out of them. And then they don't know how to pivot between family and job and money, and the fact that they just can't, you get stuck in that place and you don't know what to do. And then one day you wake up and maybe you get fired. And maybe just getting fired is the best thing that ever happened to you, or you get laid off. The Georgia company's laid off 700 people, and it's amazing to me how many of them I see on LinkedIn going, getting laid off was the best thing that ever happened to me.
Exactly.
I was forced to find what I really wanted to do, or they all just got picked up by somebody else and they got better jobs and life is really good. But I can't imagine working for that company, just being a sale. I talked